So this is a beautiful day in Cape Town today, but this is what the water looks like. So all you see are these glimmering, shimmering plastic foil chips bags along with everything else, and it's mostly knickknacks, chipper. I mean, there's just all sorts of stuff in the water today. It really is Woolworths. What is this? I don't know. What is that? Fashion World. And then of course here, caution. So caution, we're choking fish. Caution, we're polluting the ocean.